Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Today is Sunday, March the 8th, 2026. And today we sprang forward. Yes, we changed our clocks and moved ahead an hour. Ugh. I wanted to bring you along with me today because I am going to make my lunch for the week. And so you will see this tomorrow on Monday, the 9th of March. But I'm going to make it up today so I can start fresh in the morning and have my repetitive lunches for the next 5 days. Now, as usual, I'm going to use what I have available to me. So I just wanted to show you what the ingredients are going to be. Now, I'm going to attempt to make I don't know what to call it, an egg roll bowl. I guess that's what I'll call it. Now, I know this is not going to be traditional egg rolls. I've made egg rolls many, many times. I do not have any egg roll wraps, and I have things that I need to use up. So I'm going to incorporate those things in this Asian dish. Okay? All right. I've got some cabbage left. I used part of this cabbage to make some vinegar slaw, and it's really, really good. But I've got some cabbage left, so that's going to go in. I've got 3 thawed out hamburger patties, so it makes a total of 12 ounces of ground beef. So I'm going to crumble those up, put those in. I've got a partial package of mixed frozen vegetables. I have a partial, just part of a red bell pepper. That's going to go in. I've got some garlic cloves. Now these are from my daughter and son-in-law's garden. I'm still working on those from last year. They are awesome. I'm so happy to have them. And so I have those cleaned and ready to go. Got some soy sauce, and I'm going to start the burger in a little bit of this beef tallow I made. Also, I have some onion powder and some minced dried onion. I don't have any onion in the house. I don't have anything except this. So this is what I have, and this is what I'm going to use. And we're coming to the end of that, aren't we? Okay, so let me get this going, and I'll bring you back and show you what we're going to do. Okay, I crumbled up the hamburger patties. One of them was still slightly frozen. Not much, but slightly. So, and I did put a little bit of, about a teaspoon or so of beef tallow. That's going to help it brown, and it's going to give it some nice flavor. Now, I'm going to put the rest of the dried onions in. I have it on my list to get some more. I really like to keep the dried onion flakes around. And I'm going to add some of this onion powder, give it a little more flavor. Now, if you've never used dried onion, it does give it a little bit of a different taste. Almost a baked onion taste, kind of in a way, but it's good. It's not unpleasant. It's very good. Okay. Now, I chopped up all of the garlic. I didn't chop it fine. There was really no reason to. I want the flavor, and I'll be able to see it, and it'll get nice and soft, and it'll be really beautiful. Turn my heat down a little bit. I'm going to sprinkle in a few red pepper flakes because it's just me eating it, and I'm kind of a spicy gal, so I don't mind having a little spice. I think that's perfectly good. Smells good already. Now I'm just going to add in the the bell peppers that I chopped, I just chopped these in strips. It's good enough. I can see them. It's good to have some chunkiness in there. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this. Not a lot, because I'm going to add some soy sauce. But I do have a low sodium soy sauce. I bought that by accident. But it's fine. It tastes good. Oh, it smells nice. You can kind of see what it looks like there. I'll show you. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to add in the vegetables. These are the frozen vegetables, because I'm going to want the liquid to cook off these. It's just a partial bag. I realize that egg rolls usually don't have mixed vegetables in them, but I don't care about that. I want to use what I have, and I want some good nutrition in this egg roll bowl. Now you may think, oh, that may not be enough for 5 days, but it will be, because by the time I show you the rest of it, you're going to be quite happy with it. Let me know in the comments if you would like to give this a try, and maybe you have all these ingredients in your house already, but you can make your lunch for next week. How about that? So I just chopped the cabbage, a healthy piece of cabbage, and I'm going to add that. It's going to break down, which is great. I will add the soy sauce, but I'm not going to add that till the last. Smells awesome. I'm going to heat down a little bit. I hope you can hear me, because sometimes when the sizzle is happening, sometimes I can't be heard that well. I'm trying my best. What's everybody up to today? Now don't forget, you're going to see this video tomorrow on Monday. But I like to prepare ahead of time so that I'm all ready to go come Monday for my lunch. Now, I already have my repetitive breakfast planned out for the coming week, and that's going to be English muffin, toasted English muffin with an egg, and I'm going to have an apple with it. Isn't that awesome? I figured it up. My breakfast will cost 85 cents a day. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I can't complain about that. Okay. So I'm going to let this cook for a minute or two, and then I'm going to add some soy sauce. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Give it some good flavor. I happen to remember that I have a tiny bit of toasted sesame seed oil. I'm going to put that in too. Probably use the last of that. I need to put that on my list. I love to keep the toasted sesame seed oil in the house. Oh wow, that smells awesome. There's something about that toasted sesame seed oil that just does the trick. I'm going to give a quick taste here of something. Woo, mama, hot. I'm going to taste this pepper, I think. That's good. More soy sauce, black pepper, a little more salt. What do you think? I think that looks pretty nice. Give them the beef a taste. Oh, good. Awesome. Beautiful. Okie dokie, it's done. Now, prior to making this portion of the meal, I made quite a lot of cooked rice. Now, I cooked it the way I always do, except that I cooked it in the homemade chicken broth that I made last week. I had some chicken vegetable broth, and oh my gosh, the flavor was so good. And so I cooked the rice in that and added just a smidge of soy sauce to it. So basically, I'm going to take this bowl, a bowl just like this. Tomorrow, when I have my lunch, I'm going to put some rice in this nice big bowl, and I'm going to top it with this, the ground beef and the vegetables and the garlic and all that goodness in there. And I might put a little bit of teriyaki sauce on the top, or I could add some soy sauce. If I had some sliced green onions, that would be perfect, but I don't have that, and that's okay. I'm good with it because, you know, I'm the queen of using what you have. That's my motto. What do you have in the house? Okay, so that's what we got, and I think it's going to be a fabulous week of lunches. Also, keep in mind, if you have to have a portable lunch, if you're working, these are good for you to take as well. This would be very portable in a sealed lid plastic container, and you could just warm it up at work. I mean, it's awesome, and people would be jealous of your lunch. Okay, that's it for me today. I love you guys. You know I do. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay, you take care. I will meet you in the comments, and you can tell me what you think. And if you're doing repetitive meals for 5 days in a row, let me know, because we all need to know because we're nosy. Okay. Okay, I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.